Good morning, student. Now I am continuing here. Till yesterday, we have discussed about the occurrence of minerals, where the minerals usually occurs. Where we have seen that minerals occurs in igneous and metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks, residuary masses, placer deposit, and to the ocean, to the surface of ocean. Today I am going to explain about the mining. Mining is what? Mining, students, refers the extractions of minerals out of mines. Extractions of minerals out of mine be referred as mining. Okay, so there are the different types of mining, students, that you will understand through the clip that I am going to give you. Okay, and you will see there that how these minerals are found. Okay, so I will give you, students, about the clip about the different types of mining. See, student, they are the different types of mining that we have to now discuss, student. There is the it is hydraulic mining. Okay, students, as you can see, it is done by the high pressure of water. Now you see, students, the right hole mining, which is most important. See how this right hole mining, students, is mainly practiced in the hilly area or mountain area, where, students, people digging a tunnel obtain the minerals. Okay, students. This is the process of shaft mining, students. That is where the minerals are obtained by digging the ground, deep ground, students. See what means how it works, students. This is the called the shaft mining, where the grounds, students, are dig at the very deep point, students, to extract the minerals. Okay. Okay, students. Okay, so now you have seen, students, that what are the different types of mining here. Now I am going to discuss about the distributions of minerals in India. My dear students, India is fortunate. India is fortunate to have abundance deposit of minerals. If we draw a straight line, let's see it through the map. Okay.
Now look at these maps to study the distribution of minerals in India. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Iron is found mainly in Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Major bauxite producing areas are Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Copper is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Manganese is mainly found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Kola in Karnataka has deposits of gold in India.
Okay. My dear students, here now we have to discuss separately, as we have classified the minerals as metallic and non-metallic minerals, or among the metallic minerals we notice there ferrous, non-ferrous, and precious minerals. Okay, so ferrous mineral, students, as you know that those minerals which have iron in it, हम उसको ferrous minerals बोलते हैं. ठीक है, और it, students, is very important minerals that boosted industrialization in the country. It boosted industrialization in the country. Okay, and all the metallurgical industries are mainly depend on the ferrous minerals, students. Okay, so take the among the ferrous mineral, the first is iron ore. It is the most important minerals that encourage development of infrastructure and industry in the country. Okay, so iron ore, students, are found in different form: hematite, magnetite, limonite, and siderite, as according to the iron that consist. ठीक है, जो सबसे ज्यादा जिसमें आयरन की मात्रा होती है वो टॉप कैटेगरी का आयरन ore होता है, जैसे हेमाटाइट हो गया, मैग्नेटाइट हो गया. Okay, limonite and siderite have a little content of iron in it. ठीक है, तो in India students, if we say how where these minerals are found, then you must know students, this mineral is found in Jharkhand and Orissa belt. Okay, in Jharkhand and Orissa belt we see there students केंदुजार हो गया, बेदाम हिल हो गया, ठीक है, तो these iron ores are found in Odisha and Jharkhand belt. ठीक है, फिर आप देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज फाउंड स्टूडेंट्स इन छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, तो देयर बी फाइंड देयर द बैलाडेला स्टूडेंट्स. बैलाडेला वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट एंड द लार्जेस्ट आयरन ओर माइंस ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, तो दुर्ग बत्सर क्षेत्र, ओके, दुर्ग और बत्सर, देयर इज द बैलाडेला स्टूडेंट्स विच इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट आयरन ओर्स माइन ऑफ आवर कंट्री. चित्रदुर्ग बेलारी स्टूडेंट्स कर्नाटक. There we notice students about the iron ores which is found there, and the iron ore of Bailadela students is exported to Japan through the Visakhapatnam port. Okay, through the Visakhapatnam port. Okay, next students, Goa and Maharashtra belt. We will also discuss it through the clip. Okay.
Extracting iron ore is a primary activity, and all the iron and steel products that are later formed from iron ores comes under secondary activity. Iron ore mines in India are only found in Deccan Plateau, which is this big region over here. Since Deccan Plateau is the oldest land block which was earlier part of Gondwana land, and iron ores are minerals, and minerals take thousands of years to grow, making Deccan Plateau the ideal location in India for iron ore deposits. Basically, you will find iron ore deposits in 7 states. They are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa and Maharashtra. Let's locate each one of them on a map. The first state is Jharkhand. Let's find the regions that have the iron ore mines in this state. Number 1, Singhbum district of Jharkhand. It is rich in iron ore deposit. It is located in the complete eastern side of the state and towards the southern limit of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Number 2, Barajamda. This mine is nearer to the state of Odisha. There is another mine named Barbil in Odisha. It is pretty near to Barajamda. So these are 2 regions in Jharkhand. Just have a quick glance. Now we move to the second state, Odisha. This state has a lot of iron ore mines. Let's look at them. Number 1, Barbil. Now this place is located in the northernmost region of Odisha, and it's very close to Jharkhand state border. Number 2, Mayurbhanj. It's the northeasternmost district of Odisha. It shares the border with the state of West Bengal. This area is rich in iron ore deposit. Number 3, Jodha. This is a city of Keonjhar district. This area has rich iron ore deposits, and it's nearer to the Barbil mines. Number 4, Kendujhar or Keonjhar. The Orissa School of Mining Engineering is located here, and it has many iron ore mines. Number 5, Jajpur. Jajpur is a district and is very closer to the Bay of Bengal. Again, this region is rich in iron ore deposit. Number 6, Sundargarh. It's a district in Odisha. The mines over here are closer to Rourkela steel plant. Number 7, Gandhamardhan. It's a hilly region and it is rich in iron ore deposits. So these were all the regions in Odisha that are rich in iron ore deposits. Just have a quick glance at all of them. Now we move to the third state, Chhattisgarh. The regions over here are number 1, Bailadilla. The mines over here are large-scale open-cast mechanized. This is a hilly region of Chhattisgarh and it is closer to the Telangana state border. Number 2, Dali Rajara. This is a city in Balod district. The mines over here are the largest suppliers to Bhilai steel plant. So these are the only 2 regions in Chhattisgarh that have iron ore deposits. Have a quick glance at the map. Now we move to the fourth state, Andhra Pradesh. Region number 1, Guntur. It is a district of Andhra Pradesh. It is closer to the river Krishna and the city of Vijayawada. Region number 2, Ongole. It is a city in Prakasam district of Andhra Pradesh. Ongole is rich in iron deposit. So these are the 2 regions of Andhra Pradesh. Just have a quick glance at it. Now we move to the fifth state, Karnataka. Number 1, Bellary. It is a district in Karnataka. This region is rich in natural resources and here mining is a very common activity. Number 2, Chikmagaluru. It is another district in Karnataka and it has rich deposits of iron ores. So these are the iron ore regions of Karnataka. Have a quick view at them. Goa has fine deposits of iron ore both at north and south regions of Goa. So these are the mining belts of Goa. And the last state is Maharashtra. The Ratnagiri district in the southwestern part of Maharashtra is very rich in iron ore mines. It is closer to Arabian Sea, therefore good amount of iron ore is exported from Ratnagiri seaport. So these are the regions of India